So we have the power adapter and cable. We have the user manual. And then we have the laptop itself. So let's see what it looks like in person, okay? And then we're gonna take a look at the product page again to compare. Ooh, it's lightweight. It has a bit of weight to it, but it's not very, very heavy at all. And look, it's thin. Ooh. You know what? Now I'm gonna have to get some covers for these laptops. But this is what it looks like, okay? It's very sleek. So I'm just checking here at the ports. So they pretty much both have the same port. You have a little SD memory card port, you have an audio port, you have two USB ports, one HDMI, one Type C, and then one AC port. All right, just looking at it. Let's open it up. Okay, so again, this one is the 15.6 inch. Ooh, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And it also has backlit keys. So me and Nick, we were looking at some stuff and I was using this laptop, and I found myself, because we didn't have any lights on, I found myself really staring hard at the keys on this computer in the dark because there aren't any backlit keys. Now I do have a second option when it comes to this computer. If you want the backlit keys, there is a version with the RGB lights. The one that I have does not have RGB lights, okay? Now this one, it does have not RGB, but it has white backlit keys, and you know, I'm gonna need that. Again, this one has the AMD Ryzen 7 processor. Like I said, this would be great for multimedia, which is what I'm going to use it for. Now, obviously, I haven't charged it, but some products, they come pre-charged, so I'm just going to turn it on to kind of get the startup process going. But I'm not going to stay for the full setup, you guys, because I gotta go. But I want to show y'all the computer. And look. Bam. And look at the ventilation on the back. It's very wide, like it goes all the way across. Love that. And that will be all for now. I am going to try and test and install my programs and see how well it performs. I might even download a game, just one game, just to test out the processing speed and the graphics, just to see. But mainly I'm going to be putting OBS on here, Photoshop, and Cyberlink PowerDirect for my video editing and video graphics and stuff. But that's going to be it for now.